have the winner of the Ocean Beach Chili Cook-Off.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling fantastic. I'm really excited because we won People's Choice and Judges' Choice first place. Tiny's Tavern always win People's Choice, but this is the first time for us to win Judges' Choice, so this is a big deal.
What consisted of going into your chili?
There's 5 meats, and I'm not going to give away all the ingredients because that would just give it away. But we have a lot of ingredients that make it spicy and delicious, and it's filled with love.
Are you out here to now party it up?
I'm out here to celebrate and accept our awards. I'm so excited that we got first place in both. Like I said, this is the first that we got People's and Judges, so I'm extremely happy. I'm so excited to present this to Tiny himself, who is such an amazing man, amazing boss. I mean, he deserves this more than anyone I know.
Yeah, baby! We got Mike with us. How you doing today, Mike? Yeah. So are you a local here at Ocean Beach?
Yeah, well, I've been here for 20 years.
That's pretty much a local.
What's that?
Yeah, I consider it. What do you think?
I think after about 20 years,
Do you come down here every year?
no, you know what? I used to come here every year. It seems like the last 2 years I've been out of town. This is the first time in 3 years.
What are we drinking?
It's fantastic. It's a vodka something. Pretty strong. They're pretty good.
Well, if you can't remember the name, it's got to be good.
It's the only thing they got. I think they just call it juice. Vodka.
Just juice. You
juice
heard it
with
here.
vodka.
It's just juice. What you planning to do today? You going to check out the bands tonight?
I'll check out the bands. I'll see if I last that long. After a couple more of these, I will.
All right, San Diego, it's coming to wrap up the 33rd annual Ocean Beach Street Fair and Chili Cook-Off that we just wrapped. Hope you guys had some fun.
Eddie Keys and Nat Sherman's designer clothes. Everything and she wouldn't give in. That's just how it goes. She gave me a wet daydream, a sexy overdose, but she could just care less. Translucent on some dress. She motherfucked, she said, hey, sorry, come back but you can't touch my pet. Born alone to play the game, that's just how I place my bet. Her lips lie, she don't want me, her glance confess. Brown eyes and hair, swimmer's body, translucent on sundress. She looks like a winner, yeah,